The Freshman 15 by Lola Frenchco and Lexi Glenko. What is the Freshman 15? The term Freshman 15 refers to the common belief or phenomenon that college freshmen often gain around 15 pounds during their first year of college. Our goal in researching this problem faced by many young adults was to determine what causes the weight gain and what steps students can take to avoid it. From our research and experience, we concluded that the Freshman 15 is caused by various factors, but the most crucial three factors that we decided to focus on are eating late at night, increased alcohol consumption, and decreased physical activity. The first cause of the Freshman 15 is decreased physical activity. Several factors explain why students' physical activity tends to decrease when they enter college. First, the change in routine during the transition from high school to college affects students' physical activity. In the United States, 34.6% of high school students participate in a sport, while according to the National Association of College Athletics, roughly only 6% of those students will play an NCAA sport in college. However, this does not take into consideration other sports like clubs and intramural teams. Another factor is the academic demand and stress placed upon college students. Most freshmen have not yet learned to balance their studies with exercise and fail to make time for going to the gym. The next factor we researched is increased alcohol consumption. While it's estimated that 17% of teens aged 16 to 17 have drank alcohol, this number doubles in 18 to 20-year-olds. First year, college students are expected their first taste of freedom and often partake binge drinking, which is defined as consuming 10 or more alcoholic beverages in the span of 2 hours. Aside from commenting on the irresponsibility of underage drinking, it can definitely cause weight gain at any age. According to the MenlinePlus.gov, a single beer of glass of wine contains between 103 and 350 calories, and mixed cocktails can contain over 500 calories. On top of the calories of alcohol consumed during a night out, alcohol also stimulates your appetite and often leads to unhealthy cravings like crunchy and greasy foods. This leads us to our last factor of the Freshman 15, which is eating late at night. Binge drinking and the binge eating that often follows usually occurs after midnight when only options for food are fast food like Taco Bell, McDonald's, and Sheetz. College students also exhibit poor sleeping habits, with the average time a college student goes to sleep being 2 a.m. Staying up so late will cause cravings and late-night snacking. According to a Harvard study, eating late at night decreases calorie burning and promotes fat storage, which definitely contributes to weight gain. Now that we understand what causes the Freshman 15, what are some accessible changes that college freshmen can easily implement into their daily routine in order to avoid the phenomenon? The first way to combat the effects of the Freshman 15 is to exercise more. Almost every college in America has a recreation center or a gym that all students can use for free. Depending on the weather, you could also go for a run or walk outside. If traditional exercise isn't your thing, you can join an intramural or club sport. Most club sports in college are low commitment and welcome beginners. This would be a great way for freshmen to not only stay fit, but to try something new and make some friends. The next solution is to stop eating 3 hours before you go to sleep. The Cleveland Clinic recommends this practice to avoid weight gain because it decreases ghrelin, a hunger-including hormone, curbing your appetite the next day. Doing this promotes better digestion by allowing your digestive system to digest your dinner before it slows down in your sleep. We saved the easiest solution for last. According to Johns Hopkins University, water naturally suppresses your appetite and stimulates your metabolism. It will also decrease your liquid calorie intake if you replace sugary drinks with water. It is a general rule of thumb that you should drink half of your weight in ounces of water per day. For example, if you weigh 200 pounds, you should be drinking at least 100 ounces of water per day to stay healthy and avoid gaining weight. These are our sources, and thank you for watching our presentation.